Hello, my name is Jordan Wilson, and today I'll be showing you how to use Google Slides to make a Bitmoji classroom. Bitmoji classrooms are an excellent way to connect with students, especially if you are teaching virtually. In order to make your own Bitmoji classroom, you will want to add the Bitmoji extension to your Chrome browser. You can add the extension by going to the Chrome Web Store. Under Search Extensions, you will type in Bitmoji. Once you have found the Bitmoji extension, you will select it. Instead of Remove from Chrome, this will say Add to Chrome. You will log into your account and then make sure that you have pinned the extension so that the logo appears in your toolbar. Next, create a blank Google slide. This will serve as your virtual classroom space. You'll want to begin by adding an image of a wall and floor to make the slide look like a classroom. This can be done by selecting Background, choose Image, and then go to Google Image Search and type in wall and floor background. I will select this image for my classroom, select Insert, and then Done. You can now start to add decorations and furniture. To do this, you're going to select Insert, Image, and then search the web. The best way to add items is to search for images that don't have a built-in background. To do this, you're going to put transparent after the item. I will search for shelf transparent clip art. Once you have found the image that you want, you will select it and then select Insert at the bottom. You can then resize the image to match the layout of your classroom. You can also add a whiteboard to write messages for your students. Once again, I will go to Insert, Image, search the web, and this time I'm going to type in whiteboard transparent clip art. Once you've found the image that you want, you will select it, select Insert, and then resize it to fit your classroom wall. To make your classroom interactive, you can link assignments and resources for your students. I will add the Google Classroom logo to my bookshelf. You're going to go to Insert, Image, and then search the web. This time I'm going to look up the Google Classroom logo. Once you've found the logo that you want to add, you will select Insert and then resize it to fit inside your classroom. I'm going to add mine on top of my shelf. To add a link, you want to make sure that the image is selected. You will go to Insert and then Link. You will then find the URL. I'm going to use the URL for my Google Classroom. Going to select Copy, go back to my Bitmoji Classroom, and paste the link. And then select Apply. Students will now be able to click the logo to go directly to Google Classroom. Once your classroom is complete, the last step is to add your Bitmoji. If you have the Bitmoji extension, you can simply click the button in your toolbar, select the Bitmoji you want, and drag it into your classroom. You will then resize the Bitmoji to fit inside your classroom. You now have a fun way to engage your students in virtual learning. Thanks for watching.